Sabi ni Chara, I am a music lover. At saka sabi niya, hindi na rin siya nakakapag-live kasi busy siya. Kasi alam ko, ganitong mga oras naka-live ka na di ba? Oo, dati-rati, mga gantong oras, may ikot-ikot ako. Pumapasok ako sa multi mo, alam ko, mga ganting oras naka-live ka. So, busy-busy daw siya sa kanyang work. Ayan, napakabuting tao niyan, guys. Grabe yan. Oo, naalala ko noon, talagang tumutulong yan sa mga bigo host na kagaya natin. Shoutout sa iyo, Chara. Ayan, magandang umaga sa iyo. Alright, okay. If you do have any song that would you like to sing for you, Chara? Anyway, let's do a country music for you. Alright, okay, country music. Firecracker! Shoutout Rika! Kamusta ka na, Rika? Long time no see, Rika. Firecracker! Yeah. When I look in her eyes, there ain't no surprise. Sparks are flying all 4th of July. She gets me so hard, my heart starts pumping. Get the kiss and there ain't no stop. When it comes to love, she's ain't no slacker. My little darling is a firecracker. When I light up the fuse, I gotta get back quick. Gotta be careful with the dynamite stick. Cause suddenly gone, she's more jam. She put a punch like a rolling cat. She's a pack of black cats in a red paper wrapper. My little dollar is a firecracker. We might not know it's a only hay, cause we are born to fall down one of these days where a match made in heaven and it ain't no joke. But it's sure great to see it going up in the snow. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's a light of my life. She's gonna start with a great big bang. Marshall Challenge, it's a beautiful thing. When she takes off, you better hold on tight. She's a plum of a rocket in the middle of the night. When she makes love, she's a heart attacker. My little darling is a firecracker. We might not know a chicken rolling the hay, cause we burn the farm down one of these days where a match made 11 and it ain't no joke. But it's sure great to see it going up in the smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the love of my life. Now, oh, woo! You've got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. Well, she's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. Firecracker, firecracker, ooh, ooh, yeah. Firecracker, firecracker. No. Firecracker, firecracker. Alright, that song. Ayan, nag-enjoy yung kaibigan natin si Chara, nag-enjoy siya. Kasi para ka lang nagla-line dance.